magic circuit. Now why it is magic circuit? So this is a block diagram. There is one sensor, then buzzer and 9-volt battery. So you can connect any sensor like LPG sensor, smoke sensor, level sensor, IR sensor, fire sensor, LDR sensor, or moisture sensor or water level sensor. Any sensor you can connect here. Buzzer is connected at the output of sensor and 9-volt battery is there. So this is my magic circuit, this is my buzzer, and this is my 9-volt battery, and here is one connector. You can see here is one connector. Here you can connect any sensor, and then whenever that sensor operates, buzzer will operate. So I will show all the demonstration. Like suppose this is my IR sensor. So in IR sensor, if anyone is in front of this sensor, then alarm will operate. So I will connect this sensor here. So I have connected this sensor, and one power supply indicator is there. So whenever there is any hand or any obstacle in front of this sensor, a buzzer will turn on. See. If I remove the hand, buzzer will turn off. If there is any hand, buzzer will turn on. Same application we can use for hand sanitizer. In place of buzzer, we have to connect motor. Same we had implemented in our college premises at the entrance sanitizer. Now I will change this sensor with fire sensor. So this is my fire sensor which will detect the flame. So I had connected the sensor, power supply indicator is on. Now I will provide flame fire using lighter. So this is my flame. If flame is in front of this, buzzer turns on. If flame is not there, buzzer is off. If flame is there, buzzer turns on. If flame is not there, buzzer off. So same circuit you can use for fire alarm. Then we will use water alarm system. So this is the sensor, and we will connect water alarm sensor. So I will connect this sensor. So I had connected the sensor. My power supply indicator is on. I had taken some water, and I will insert this sensor into this water and see what happens. Alarm turns on. If you remove it, alarm turns off. If you put it, alarm on. So in place of alarm, if you use motor, you can control the water also. So this is level sensor. Now same circuit I will replace this with LDR. So I will connect LDR. I have connected LDR. Right now light is on. So when there is any hand or dark condition, then buzzer is off. See, if there is light, buzzer turns on. If there is no light, buzzer turns off. So same circuit you can use for automatic light also. Now I will replace this sensor with this sensor MQ6. This is my MQ6 sensor. MQ6 is used for LPG gas detection. So I will connect this sensor here. Now right now at the beginning it will take warm up time because there is one heater inside this sensor, so it will take some time, and after some time it will become stable. So we have to wait for that much time. Now it is stable. Now this is my lighter. I will turn on this and I will remove the flame and see. I have given only LPG, so LPG gas detection. alarm is there. So that LPG gas contents are in this sensor. Okay, so when LPG gas contents are removed, then this sensor will turn off. See, so whenever there is any gas, this alarm turns on. Now we will see second, smoke sensor. So this is MQ2. This is MQ2 sensor. MQ2 is used for smoke detection. So I will connect this sensor here. Again, this sensor has heater, so it will take some time for warm up. And when heater is operated hot, then it will become stable. Now I have to give the demonstration of smoke. So for that I am using one agarbatti, and I will connect this here. See. So if there is no smoke, then this is off, and if there is any smoke, then it turns on. So for smoke, alarm turns on, and if there is no smoke, then alarm will turn off. So this is the simple circuit using only sensor, buzzer and battery. So this is my buzzer, this is my battery, and you can connect sensor here. So this is magic sensor. Magic circuit, you can connect any sensor here which has VCC, ground and D0 output, and you can operate the system. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.